Welcome back to Think and Play Chess, where we break down the game one move at a time. Before we dive in, don't forget to like this video and leave us a comment below. We love hearing from our viewers. Today, we're venturing further into the Ruy Lopez, exploring the daring and dynamic open defense. The open defense is a daring response to the Ruy Lopez that offers black dynamic counterplay at the cost of some pawn structure issues. If you're the kind of player who loves challenging your opponent from the get-go, this might be the variation for you. In the open defense, black allows the pawn structure to become damaged in return for open lines and piece activity. The nature of this variation often leads to complex and rich middle game positions where tactical vigilance is essential. Now let's break down the first 8 moves in the open defense. 1. E4, E5. White opens with the king's pawn opening, aiming for control of the center. Black replies symmetrically. 2. Knight F3, Knight C6. White develops the knight, attacking black's E5 pawn. Black responds by developing the knight, defending the pawn and preparing for D7 to D5. 3. Bishop B5, A6. White develops the bishop, pinning the knight and preparing for D2 to D4. Black responds by challenging the bishop. 4. Bishop A4, Knight F6. White retreats the bishop to a safe square. Black develops the knight, attacking the E4 pawn. 5. Castle, Knight E4. White castles, freeing the rook. Black captures the E4 pawn, signaling the beginning of the open defense. 6. D4, B5. White strikes in the center, attacking black's E5 pawn. Black counters by attacking the bishop. 7. Bishop B3, D5. White retreats the bishop to a safe square. Black solidifies his center. 8. E5, Bishop E6. White captures the E5 pawn, opening lines for development. Black develops the bishop, preparing for kingside castling. Did you know? The open defense of the Ruy Lopez was a favorite of legendary world chess champion Mikhail Tal. Known for his aggressive and creative play, Tal used this variation to launch thrilling attacks against his opponents. The open defense to the Ruy Lopez is a sharp, challenging response that offers plenty of counterplay. While it comes with its risks, understanding the tactics and strategies can make it a powerful tool in your chess arsenal. Did you find this breakdown of the open defense useful? Don't forget to hit that like button. Subscribe to Think and Play Chess for more in-depth guides, and don't hesitate to share your thoughts in the comments. Keep thinking, keep playing, and we'll see you in the next video.